Well, the first I'm going to sew my back darts. So this is my back piece. This is my back purse, this is my crotch line, this is my back dart. So that's what I'm going to make first. Okay. I already copy darts on the other side. So, and I have my notches which represent my dart width. Let's align it. And I've changed my needle yesterday. It's a ballpoint needle, which is suitable for stretchable fabric, for stretch fabric. Okay, so this is my end, the end of my dart. I'm not going to pin anything because sometimes if you use pins, the fabric you can leave holes. So I try to not to use pins a lot. So, and I really recommend you to learn this technique and try to not be so nervous about not pinning, and just use your fingers, kind of eyeball and use your fingers. That's what I'm doing right now. So I line 2 notches. See, it curls and stretch a little bit. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, so see, that's why you need to be really careful with the end with your dart. What I can recommend, you can also stabilize the end of the dart, with a piece of stabilizer. So this way it helps you to prevent it from stretching. So I just need to, let's see, no, I think I can manage it with the iron, so I can just press it and take this ease out. So, but when I stitch the second one, I want to be careful. And you may start from the other side as well. Let's see how it works. It doesn't matter which side you start. I mean, I've heard a lot of strategies, a lot of techniques, but this actually doesn't matter a lot. Okay, let's start from other side and see how it goes. Well, as you can see, I was able to completely take this ease out using the iron. See? The dart fly just lays, completely, flat and nice. And I already iron it to the one side. See? Okay, let me move it. Okay, see? Completely, there is no waves, no puckering, nothing. So it's just flat. So I was just pressing it with the iron lightly, and as you can see, it's totally great darts. So you may say these darts are quite long, but remember, I do have a high-waisted pants, so that's why my waistline is right there. For me, it looks a little bit unusual because I haven't had a high-waisted pants for quite a long time, because like the last 7 years we were wearing pants which were kind of like a mid-rise or even the low-rise. So our waistline was approximately over there. So that's why, even for me, it looks kind of unusual, because it's actually not long. It just looks kind of unusual for me. Okay, so this is darts, and let's move to the pockets.